kanyo ni intiere makare en kanyo tarik 4 dwe mar abich igani mar 2026 Monday mokwongo mar dwe ni mar abich odiochieng'no mabende waingo kanyo iluongo ni World Press Freedom Day mabende waingo kanyo odiochieng'no eko mar jofwambo. Aneno ka jofwambo mopogore opogore wuok oko e piny Kenya mangima kaachiel koda ka kuonde mamoko mopogore opogore pacho ka ineno ka jofwambo ma Mombasa mago ma Kisumu kaeri kano bagoromo makende kendo gidhielo kanyo odiochieng'no eko mar neno ni jofwambo bedo koda ka ratichgi. Kopogore koda kamano ma en chenro mar Chuny Wach machakore kanyo saa 5 nyaka saa 6 from Monday to Friday kata kawuono wabet wachako modeko matin kata kamano wadhi kode nyaka ngochop kanyo e giko kama mura maintiere ka utroni makede mar wakini machiegni nyinga en Brenda Agenyo mataye chenro ni eki kendo chiegni makawuono okayudora ka kenda tan kae koda ka wendo ka wadhi wacho wechego eko motenore koda ka wechego mag somo chenro mano ningo benine wabedo kodo kanyo juma mokalo kata kamano kaluwore koda ka dich mar magi macha ne ok wayudo thuolo makamano. Chiegni makawuono wan kanyo gi jagoro mano maduong' mar riwruok mar jopuonj mar Kupeta bade ma Kisumu County Migosi George Osura mabende koro to osedonjo kae achiel kachiel kendo wadhi twa kode kotenore koda ka midhierogo mabende koro to kwako wechego eko mag somo e pacho kaeri to enya midhierogo ma jopuonj kaloe e wechego eko mag somo e pacho kaeri. Akaw thuolo ni makende mar waki kanyo ni machiegni jatelo. Good morning.
Morning to you.
Ichiew maber.
Achiew maber.
Goero kamano kibiro thuolo do chiegni makawuono mar chopo e studio magwa mondo mi ilos koda ka jokanyanam.
Amba goero kamano.
Maybe mi thuolo mondo mi ulrine gi kendi gi winji nyingi kapok wachako.
Goero kamano ahinya. An iluonga ni George Osura. George Osura en jagoro maduong' mar Kupet e bade ma Kisumu ka. Goero kamano ahinya.
Yes, mana kaka isewinjo kanyo wan kae gi Migosi George Osura jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar jopuonj mar Kupet bade ma Kisumu. Kaka ung'eyo jopuonj osebedo ka ywagore malich mokalo midhiero mopogore opogore ma gisebedo ka gikaloe ma jopuonj osebedo ka ywagore pacho kaeri kendo gisebedo ka gidwaro mondo bi koro to piny owacho wuog oko mar neno ni tiek achiedh nade ma gikale. Mago e wechego eko mwada wuoyo odiochieng'ni ma kawuono mar ng'eyo ni to usechopo kanye usego okang' machalo nade to piny owacho osetimo ang'o nyaka odiochieng'ni eki ma kawuono. Wach mokwongo ma jopuonj osebedo ka ywago gin wechego eko mag thieth mano mar SHA mano ogolwe kumano ero mar thieth mar Minet kikelwe mano mar SHA. Penjono mokwongo en ni sama ne igolo jatelo bende nukawo pach jopuonj duto ma winjruok ne obedo because I can remember ni kanidwa golwe SHA kikelowe Minet kanigolowe Minet kelowe SHA ne nitiere ka ywaruok moko nodwa bedo kanyo jopuonj moko ne complain bende ne ukawo pach jopuonj tema winjruok nobedo makare makoro tunutieko winjruok ni koro gini wadonje.
Brenda aparo ni an achiel kuom jopuonj mane ywak ni jopuonj mang'eny ne ok onyiso wachni.
Yes.
Nikech wang'eyo ni constitution ma Kenya allows for a lot of consultation and public participation mondo eka gimoro okal. To nikech ne wan gi ywaruok matindo tindo nikech there's no perfection anyway. Tiro ni Minet bende nigi challenges ge mamage makende. To kendo jopiny ne ywak nikech tabu mane en go. To kod ng'en ka ji ne ywak matin gima inyalo tim maber en ni inyalo din richo mane nitiego kata ji ne nyalo dhi machielo. Koro kane president oluongo ji State House ma ne gin jo-Kupet to given ni koro an ja-Kupet I take responsibility. Anto naonge chieng'no to kane oluongi to nonyisi ni mi aon chalo gima nigi shida matindo tindo. Koro wadwa tero we SHA mwase organize mwase los. Making you know most to the TSC gi serikal to no se winjore. Tingene one employer wa NTSC. Kendo TSC no ene mo negotiate kata koro kwaduogo wabuoyo gi the union come in to join them hands. Koro kane gitemo wacho ne ji kaka SHA chalo e paper to ne ji oneno ka en gima ber kabisa. To kochake ing'eni gimoro kochake to bedo gi tabu mang'eny.
Mana diera.
Koro kane ochake no bedo gi tabu man ka donjo office tarik 11 dwe mar achiel mana jopiny oyiera higani. To after just 1 week ne weche pek. Kendo nochuno mondo wadhi operations manager miluongo Madam Kezia mar SHA. Mwa discuss go mwa realize that she was the only employee mar SHA at that time. Koro you can imagine ni ng'at achiel ema nitie motelo ne ji te mane SHA nikech SHA ok en gir jopuonj kende. En nyaka gir dhano oganda manie Kisumu County. Matieni wawuoyo about almost 1 million people.
Yes.
Mana within Kisumu County. Koro kan wuoyo kode seche go ne nitie mano osiptende adek kende mane nyalo thiedho.
Yes.
Jopuonj oseng'iyo private. Koro mane Jaramogi, those public hospitals go part of them. Yes, bene gidhiye to mano ringe pachgi mapiyo piyo. Koro ne wan gi adieri ni koro wan go osiptende mana adek. Mane en Taiba, Inuka, to gi moro kanyo, the only 3 gin adek kende. To king'iyo namba mar jopuonj, to kendo jopuonj tiyo kodak e town.
Mano is very true.
Majority of teachers wuok e sub-counties man oko mar Kisumu Central moting'o osiptende mang'eny.
Yes.
Koro matin osiptende sub-county ma oko go, koro ne onge ng'ato japuonj menyalo thiedho oko kanyo. Koro nobedo matek. Koro kan wage engage the operation manager.
Yes.
To notemo wuotho mondo mi osiptende mamoko gi osign addendum contract.
Yes.
Nikech sirikal to ne nigi list mar osiptende mano paro onego bed ni watiyogo.
Yes.
To jogo ne pok osign contract. Nikech nyaka gisign contract, koro ka gichako thietho.
Koka tich chakore.
Koro this lady Kezia osetiyo matek kendo kana chaka dok e meeting mar ariyo mana chako dok mar romo kode.
Yes.
To wa realize ni koro sani wan go osiptende mang'eny. But ne pod wan gi tabu osiptende me kor gwenge.
Yes.
Like kidhi Nyakach ne wan gi tabu Katito Medical. Ne pok omi thuolo mar thietho nikech dala on to no thiedho jopuonj.
Yes.
But kan shall come in tembe gi regulations gi chikege. Koro ne pok omi thuolo.
Yes.
Makata chieng' no I insist ni Katito Medical nyaka mi kendo I'm lucky ni even the CS ne nitie and even the PS be ne nitie. Ma after 1 week kende to Katito no sign contract.
Yes.
Makoro sani kaka wuoyo kodi ni Katito sani thietho. Sani an ga dieri ni Kisumu ka hospital man go dieri mok accept SHA.
Yes.
En mana Aga Khan to gi Avenue, not Avenue, gi this like St. Luke Hospital. To nyichi kwa the meeting gi serikal makara Duale bene nitie Naivasha mane secretary STEM county ne kanyo.
Yes.
To gi the national office mar Kupet. No winjore kendo no keto pressure mo wacho ni Aga Khan nyaka sign contract.
Yes.
Nikech we believe ni en part of this country. To onge kako nyalo wacho ni ndio puonj okonyal thiedho.
Okonyal thiedho.
Gi police bene okonyal thiedho. Nikech nitie facilities moko ma ok yudo osiptende mamoko. Manyalo mana yudo Aga Khan kende.
Exactly.
Like I have a very good example. Nitie nyathi nyathi japuonj mapuonjo in Nyakach sub county. Manotimne bone marrow transfer in the year 2024.
Yes.
Bone marrow transplant in the year 2024. To nyathi ne onego bedni in January 7th, manyose kalo, nonego bedni itimone vaccination moro. To nikech there was transition, nyathino pok otimne gino nyaka sama wuoyo kodini. But then there is a possibility mar lapse ma nyathini dok kuma ne entie ndalo ma itere India. To king'iyo gima chalo kamano, mano ng'en gima koro inyo janyuol.
Yes.
Nikech janyuol ng'ama japuonj, koro kan imagine ni nyathine pok othiedhi. Ipan bobiro dhi skul mothiedhi, mopuonji.
Yes.
To kata kiwe familia ne, kata kiwe kata mana nyathino.
Yes.
Ben peaceful. Koro as executive secretary of Kupet, nandiko barua to the operations manager. My case here, my barua was forwarded to the CEO.
Yes.
And we were told the only place we have to again that vaccination is only Aga Khan.
It's only Aga Khan mabendo
tamore sign contract. Kuro matini kapono dagi up to maybe in the next 2 weeks, then automatically Nyathini must be taken back to India, which is very expensive.
Yes.
Kuro, we are still demanding ni Aga Khan nyaka sign contract. Nikech mano eka kuro jopuonj moko nyalo dhi on referral.
Yes.
It's not a must ni japuonj ka japuonj nyaka mana Aga Khan mondo thiedhe. Nikech moko the coast to get location mo mi jopuonj.
Yes.
Ko dhi Aga Khan kata madi beach kendo samoro pesa no serum. Koro we also encourage them to go to other hospitals which are a bit cheaper. But on referral, the issues moko cannot be sorted out in those other hospitals.
Yes.
Koro they must just go to such kind of hospitals. But sama wuoyo kodini amor nikech Avenue as an hospital benigi facilities mang'eny.
Yes.
Sani gi yie jopuonj kendo gi thiedho jopuonj.
Yes.
Synergy is equally a very modern hospital. Kendo sani gi thiedho jopuonj.
Yes.
Kichake the hospitals like Inuka,
yes.
Kaneka, they are very good doctors.
Okay.
Kendo gi thiedho jopuonj. To hospitende me kor gweng' to pod wan gi ywak kuomgi. Nikech thothgi onge gi qualified medical doctors or medical personnel and even the facilities. Ndio hospitende moko mabe nitie kanyo oseneno nyinggi. Magi mane tok ba.
Yes.
okapano hospital nyalo bedo tok bamo bed gi jomo chomo koro hospitende ma kamago be wan gi authority kendo wan gi thuolo ma kwa biro realize ni koro in yonge yath ioro mana jopuonj no dhi kama chielo to wabiro ndiko report to kendo report wano nyiso ni dhi bedo very effective kendo hospitende ma kamago ibiro lor nikech our interest is not the business ma jogo make but our business en japuonj nyaka thiedhi to gima be nyaka jopiny ng'e ni as much as we are talking about jopuonj wambe wakonyo jo familia kendo jo gweng nikech they must not have the podium ma wan jo moyier wanyalo go koko ma chiki ma winj wacho to gin samoro ng'ama nyalo dhi represent gi mawuonegi
malongo onge
koro samwa wacho wechegi to ok wawuone jopuonj kende but wawuoyo ne dhano duto mawuok e piny ka kendo mawuok e Kenya ka ka en Kisumu sama wuone jopuonj to ng'ama ber ni awuoyo na nyaka dawa gi minwa mantie dala kucho nikech gin ng'ama nyalo wuone gi malong'o ok nyal bet kapod awuoyo wach SHA daher mar wacho ni kano chakore there was no overseas transfers but sani we are happy nikech koro ng'ato inyalo dhi mathiedh in India inyalo dhi mathiedh in Italy kitiyo gi SHA mwalimu SHA but you can only go there on referral but nyaka ikwong dhi hospital within Kenya kato koro ka gineno ni ok ginyal timo gino kata on your request may fail nikech jatuo be nyaka winj wachne koro ibedo referred koro kisebedo referred titiri atira India kuro tidhi thiedhi but nyaka obed ni en gi hospital moro ma is a branch in Kenya back maka pono nyaka ibed attachment in Kenya maka kisedhi kucho to check-ups koro you don't go back again to overseas but instead koro nyalo dhi hospital within Kisumu, Nairobi or whichever place koro mano afil mano gima ber kabisa nikech koro jopuonjewa nyalo yudo variety of treatment
iwacho ni in other words nyaka sani koko msego at least osenyago lemo moko
osenyago mang'eny kabisa
so what are some of the challenges mano kuongo neno maybe kind specific about the challenges momiyo jopuonj ne ywak about SHA
one there were no facilities koro japuonj ne dhi to kochopo tinyise ni kai we don't offer mwalimu SHA again there was poor communication nikech kata mana hospitali mabede thiethogo jopuonj ne ok ong'eyo nikech there was no proper public participation before this thing was rolled out koro sani gik ma sani watimogi onego bed ni mano okwongo watimo kapok wa transit from our own to mwalimu SHA koro facility no was a big problem japuonj ni riem nikech kata mana tariff the system ne pok oketi hospitende ne pok oketo their system to match the tariff mane government miyo koro they might be having yudo ka ithiedho kanyo ero ithiedho it kanyo to ka giketo gine system to pesa na ok donji nikech sirikal samoro wacho ni onego bed 2,000 according to them margi samoro pod 800 koro onge ka ginyalo thiedhi nikech these are comprehensive cover koro ok donji koro mano was a big challenge mane wan go there was also a problem with the network you don't need the hospital tinyisi ni there is network failure
network failure ni to kata jopinyo ywage mathoth ni kidi hospital tinyalo riedo kinyisi mana ni come back tomorrow
and kanwa wuoyo gi the president and even the CS to realize ni network problem it was real but again there was one that was being faked by the facilities because there was a lot of fear. The facilities did not know whether they will be paid. Because even when they were coming from the NHIF, because the other side was from NHIF, as we are from our own Minet. Jomoko ntie facilities mapoko chul nyaka sama wuoyo.
Their facilities they're still demanding for gope machi.
Gidwaro mondo chulgi pesa. Koro ng'e gimo bimo nyete gwa ni yawa. Ka macho poko chulwa. To mwadwa donje. Bidhi chulwa. Koro nikech ok ginyal be wacho outrightly ni ok gidwar koro giwacho network problem so that at least they minimize the number of people patients magi attend to koro mano challenge mosebedo maduong to sani kaka neno kaka wadhi aneno ka osebedo gi change maduong
so you people are planning to exit ne udwa ni mondo miyo golu kabisa koro sani kaka kama wicho chopo do you think you still want this or
ingeni when there is a change to uchalo jo muchako at zero and that's why an kaka ya union ayuak ni kata ne wa on minute it would have been a better option nikech gap man nitie was easier mondo mi walos to nikech nwasedhi mwadonje SHA koro ok da gombi mondo wachako wuoge SHA ni wachak dhi chake zero kendo but daher ni gima koro wasechopo goni emwa med loso mondo bed maber nikech nyathi konyuol to chopo kama koro lak mo wuothi mo chak ringo to kama koro wantia nyawacho ni SHA en nyathi ma koro sichako wuoth.
Yes.
Okado wacho no ringo, sano sichako wuoth in my own opinion. Koro matieni kwa bridge gaps gik matimoregi. To gikone koro dhi chako ringo.
Yes.
Ingeni sama idhi hospital there are two things. Idhi chango to kok ichango be idhi tho. Mago gik manyaka accept. Matieni SHA wan ni kaka en comprehensive oketa for our treatment. To kochopo sama koro chopo ne tho be. To there is what we call last expense.
Yes.
This issue of last expense ne onge. Sani koro entie. Matieni ni ka contributor otho nyasaye okawo to definitely nitie ka jo dala gi nyalo chako programs maggi kendo moso ne wan kaka wajoma joluo tingeni liel and celebration at the end of the day.
Yes.
And it's very costly. Koro at least nitie kaka onya chako.
Yes.
To kendo iyudo ni allocation mimiyo ji mag hospital samoro orumo, samoro mi 1.5 million
Orumo kabisa.
Orumo and moso ne joma nigi cancer.
Exactly.
It is very low king'ie maber. To korumo, the employer ma one employer in TSC should be giving something more than ex gratia. This ex gratia, it is extra payment beyond your allocation.
Yes.
To gini niche onge kapok nicho chako go koko. Matieni ka japuonj niche mari en 1 million to koso irumo. To rumo magati kino hospital gabedo mano goli gi ngwech. Nikech ka gowido dhi bedo mang'eny to kuma gidhi yudo ne magi chulo gi onge. Ng'ama dhi chulo gi no is not there. To ka niche TSC obiro the directors mo agree. Chieng' manchi wogu kapok owuok Naivasha, our second day in Naivasha.
Yes.
At least 3 teachers had been given ex gratia. And the ex gratia is given through the TSC.
Yes.
Kuru TSC will sign, they approve, then the SHA gives the money.
Okay.
So right now the SHA has that money.
There is money.
And that money is given to the hospital.
Yes.
It's not given to an individual. Kuro nti joma be notiyo gi pesa gi kithiedho. By that time kapok gino bedo. Kuro ng'ens gi penjore ni to be nyalo duogne gi pesa.
It's supposed to be refunded back or
koso pesa dhi kanye. Kuro man to wacho ni man to ok timre. The only thing as we move forward now, koro ng'ato nyaka ng'e maber ni ka location ne orumo, to the doctors, the facility biro communicate to the SHA.
Yes.
The SHA communicate to the TSC, then the TSC will approve the ex gratia because ex gratia is from the employer and not the SHA itself.
Yes. Okay, nitire complain mabene naneno ka some teachers were complaining that they reported that the deduction nebedo double. Did you also encounter this or did you?
I think what they could be saying in one on minute.
Yes.
Then what this issue at the same time we were also paying shift because the NHIF came to what we call shift.
Yes.
Meaning it's somebody put one on minute, we were also benefiting from the shift. So this one's a very clear a clear statement. We are being deducted twice.
Yes.
What we call medical allowance. But the time we went to on minute, our medical allowance went. So we were not being given medical allowance because the employer had already given us an insurance.
Okay.
So our money went to the insurance. But remember, we're also paying the 2.75% for the shift. Materially, as teachers, what you already do? We expect better treatment and better facilities. Yes. And that's why the government is saying, ni jopuonj nyaka mi better treatment. Kendo koro sani wange maber ni one wachulo gi. Because there is no way monya lugo get shift. And because mae is constitutional.
Yes.
Then this other one from the employer, makuro lugo ni shani, be okwanya lugo ke sani.
Exactly.
Kuro, these things must be deducted the way they are. Maungi giminyalo teme sani.
Yes.
So the only thing we demand as a union is not our money back, but we demand better treatment.
You demand for better treatment.
Better treatment. And in fact, we are given the authority and we are given powers.
Yes.
Makanti septol mock team kamano. So we will report immediately to the CEO directly, not even to the county whatsoever.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, they will be deregistered. And there is no teacher who should be co-paying. At teacher point, there was something called tariff.
Yes.
No kill money wajini kuro kia hospital moko alfa chia gimi areya moko alfa rio gimi a beach hapa ni wiju wachiko mabere. Moko alfa mwe gimi a beach.
Yes.
Mano nchi wase dagini tariff no kuchak bedi. Keno nchi ubedo suspended.
Yes.
I don't want to say it was removed fully. It was suspended for a period of 4 weeks. But we were still insisting in our meeting no kwadwa no duo ki. But to them they were saying they suspended. So what were they saying about it? They were saying this one was a way to manage the teachers allocation.
Yeah.
But teachers who are learned, maybe they might not be having information. There is ignorance part of it also. Maybe we don't have the right information. But if they are given the right information,
yes,
then you don't need to control for them their money. What our teachers need to do is only to download EduAfia. Then there is all information that they want from that system.
Yes.
So once they have EduAfia, they have downloaded. I'm sure japuonj biro ng'eyo hospital monego dhiye.
Yes.
Japuonj biro ng'eyo nyaka pesa monego bed ni bedo charge at that time. Kendo biro ng'eyo nyaka pesa ne modong.
Yes.
But in kantie problem to koro japuonj ong'e kaka biro handle. But gimoro ng'ato wacho ni odwa control pes japuonj ni ka weya to pes japuonj biro rumo peye. I think that is a lie. And we are not buying that idea. And as a union, we are insisting tariff no kik duogi.
Okay. I only have 2 questions. Kaya popote ko kanyo kasha. Penyo na mokwongo I understand that there are some teachers ma come from very, very remote areas. Even here in Kisumu County, they come from very remote areas. Do you also have this information? How do they get into this information? If you're a teacher, Masamoropo, Nigisime, Marka, Bambe, and all this, do they even know what is happening? Are they even aware?
Yeah, on the issue of sensitization is still very low.
Yes.
And that's why we call upon your county and even the government itself no negobene what form what we call the county committee.
Yes.
So this county committee, unions will be part of it, both Kupet and NAT.
Yes.
So once we have this committee, then this committee will be moving around, attending functions, the teacher functions.
Yes.
Even the barasa, so that people are informed. It is not only the teachers who are not having information. I want to tell you, if a teacher does not have information, then even the villagers. They are even too blank.
Exactly.
So this is an initiative that all of us must participate, and even the media. Well, your media, like you have a TV station, which will be talking about, so that they know, the teachers know, and even the common wananchi, they get to know exactly what's going on. And therefore, that issue of sensitization is something we are doing.
Yes.
And me as a Kupet Executive Secretary, wherever I go for any function, be it burial, be it wedding, be it my homecoming, which is coming soon,
yes,
we will make sure we always continue to inform our teachers, okay, so that they are informed.
Okay, you have said that at least there are some changes. What if these changes relapse? What if SHA fails you people? What other plan do you have? If at all SHA imeanguka tu kabisa?
Yeah, we have plan A and plan B. I want to tell you that these things we have agreed upon.
Yes.
And get in the time. And I'm very hopeful.
Yes.
To coach your pony, the laps get up chien kuman wai. To want to do we only call our teachers. And we have a peaceful demonstration. We withdraw our services. We cannot wait for our teachers to die.
Yes.
That one we can't allow. That one you can be sure we will be on the roads. There is no doubt about it. Even if it is today, tomorrow we'll call them and they will be on the roads.
Yes.
There is no doubt.
Yeah.
If that's the language the government understands. But we didn't want to go in that direction. You know, right now also we have a lot of politics going on.
Yes.
So it will be politicized. That's what we don't want.
Yes.
That's why we are demanding and informing the government to do what is right. They have had a memorandum of understanding with us. Let them do exactly as we agreed. Thank you so much.
So let's talk about another thing, the issue of JSS. Wasane no kajo punyi mag JSS osebedo ka wuok oko gi ywagore kendo giwacho ni gibiro chuno gi mar mondo mi maybe gibag ng'anyo and all that. Un kaka union, what are some of the specific action kata steps you people will take to make sure that JSS becomes autonomous in all schools?
Yeah, issue mag JSS is a very thorny issue.
Yes.
Kendo wan kaka union wasekawo stand wa motegno kendo wawacho JSS wapoge into two. Nti JSS manosebedo confirmed under permanent and pensionable.
Yes.
Matinane gin koro gichalo yagi jopuonje mag secondary mamoko manandik chon ka. To ntie kendo manondiki higa mokalo dwe mar 10.
Yes.
Kendo moko be chon ndik dwe mar 1 higani gin waluongo gi ni interns. Koro, I want first to talk about the interns.
The issue of internship. You want them to be confirmed.
Yeah, this internship thing, the courts had declared very clearly the internship is illegal. And as teachers, we are law-abiding.
Yes.
And we expect the government equally to be law-abiding. And even the government itself did not appeal on this.
Yes.
The only thing they did was to apply for stay order, so that they reorganize their house, they look for money, so that these our teachers are confirmed.
Yes.
And to my surprise, the other day, the courts allowed them that there should be some stay order as they are looking for the money.
Yes.
So you imagine a teacher.
Do you believe there is no money?
No, personally, I don't believe there is no money. I believe there is money.
Yes.
The only thing, maybe there is a process they're still going through, and I know there's a budgeting process going on, which I agree with them.
Yes.
But saying there is no money, no, that's not right. Because even the government has not said they don't have money to confirm them.
Yes.
They have only said there is a process they are going through. And personally, I believe the process they're going through is the budgeting process, because we know this is the month they're doing our budgeting process and so on. And we are sure they will confirm these our teachers.
Yes.
The only mistake they're doing is that they're not giving us the timelines. We expect them to tell us clearly that we have accepted, and on 1st of July, we are employing the teachers.
Yes.
That's what we expect from the government. But when they are making blank statements without timelines, then we have a lot of fear. And I want to tell you that the interns will not relent. They will be on the streets.
Yes.
Until the government gives them the timelines. I'm sure if they are told today that it will be 1st of July, then they will not call for their demonstrations. I don't want to call it strike. Call them demonstrations. There will be peaceful demonstrations. And you know, once there are peaceful demonstrations, they will interfere with the learning.
Yes.
And let me alert everybody in this country that these interns we are talking about, they are science teachers.
They are science teachers.
All of them, they are either 90% of them are science teachers.
There were 44,000.
Yeah, 44,000.
Yes.
Then about 10% could be people who are now in things like art and the rest.
Okay.
But they are not humanity teachers. The humanity teachers were the first lot that was employed.
That were employed by the government.
By the government.
Yes.
So meaning if we withdraw them or they withdraw themselves, then automatically we will not have science teachers.
They are going to kill the science.
Yeah, and these schools will not be stable at all.
Yes.
Even the staffing you look in those schools, there could be even 3 teachers alone. But you know already there are 3 classes at the moment as I'm talking. So withdrawing their services, you can be sure nothing will be going on in those schools.
Yes.
So I know the government, because they have their intelligence on the ground, ginge maber ni jogi kube the street to somok be the mbele. Tumana kaka wacho ni it's time for politics going on also.
Yes.
We don't want these things to be politicized. The government will do a honorable thing and give the timeline so that our teachers know very well when they are going to be confirmed.
The treasurer or suggest maybe Modomundika a bunch of 26,000 first and then the remaining bunch to wait. Will that be okay? Will you people accept that?
No, that one can't work. You know why that one can't work? Yes. That one will only have worked if internship was legalized.
Yes.
Because now you will say, no, these ones had been there for 1 year and we wanted them to be 2 years internship.
Yes.
But you see, these are very clear thing that it is illegal.
It is illegal.
So how do you expect? Yeah. So once it's illegal, you cannot confirm part of it and leave the rest. Because even the teachers going to school, they're doing illegality. In fact, somebody should take them to court and arrest them, because for sure, the court has said it is illegal.
It is legal.
The government should not continue paying them, and even them, they should not go to work. The only thing they are between the two, now they don't know what to do. Yes. And again, they also need the money. So the human part of it, the government must confirm the 40.
And the court also directed that they be paid for the period they worked under the internship.
We will be very happy if they are paid, because for sure if it was illegal and they were paying... Are you going
to push for that?
Definitely we'll push for it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the government to give them the money. Yeah.
So maybe the issue of autonomy.
Yeah, the issue of autonomy.
What are the benefits? How is it going to benefit the schools and the students?
Those who have been in that environment, personally I've been in that environment. Yes. And again, I know we have kids and even siblings in those schools. You realize these secondary school teachers who are employed in JS, mentally, yes, they were not prepared to teach in primary. And the current crop of human beings we have who are born before let me say 1990s and the rest, of which they are the majority, they are always formatted in a way. Yes. Their brains are always in a fixed manner, such that what they are decided upon to do, yes. JSS teachers and the interns, jogi samane gine course negine maber gidi punje secondary. Secondary school. Kino man environment, mara teaching practice emagete.
Once umefanya degree ukitoka unaenda secondary.
Ngeni kiseti mo degree, inkoro kinja primary.
Yes.
Koro mane gima nokwongo hinyo gi moko matin ka gidhi kata me primary to gidhi ka already they are negative about that primary. But in psychological they were not prepared.
Yes.
That is one. To joma ne giyudo kucho kabe were not psychologically prepared, they will receive them. Koro joka ka ne giyudo to joka bonano gi mana ka enemies maggi. Tingeni magi nyithindo mapotendo gin joma potendo. To joma dongo ka emosanano gin koro gi joma richo kabisa.
Yes.
Matini koro already there is a disconnect. Ngacha ja primary school teacher cha neno ni jogi joma tindo kendo gima nyalo wacho negi.
Exactly.
Jogi primary be neno ni gin to gi jomo somo saidi mano kono be ni primary ka.
Moko ni be kana puonjo ka.
It is true even primary kan tinya ka jomo setimo mar doctors, no problem.
Yes.
But you know they trained to teach in primary, so there is no problem even if they are doctors in that primary.
Exactly.
These people trained to teach in secondary. Whether they are diploma or degree, doesn't matter. What they want is to teach in secondary.
Yes.
Because the environments are not the same. Koro yero ni kagine primary ka, gik matimore primary ka no gine ne secondary. Secondary ke intie, japuonj secondary ok chul kata pes lunch. Lunch imiyo ji.
Yes.
To kidhi primary kucho, gin gi ng'iyo gi choko pesa. Kucho ng'iyo gi chielo kata omena, to ku to ji ok chiele omena, ji chamo ringo, ji madho chai gi mandas and the rest.
Yes.
Koro automatically gi fail gin kama ok onego beni gibed. Koro kamano osetimore matin kada teach ingeni tiyo mar puonjene.
Yes.
It is more of mental.
Exactly.
Maka poni pachi ok osebedo maber kama intie no to kibitie. Koro biro ndia puonje kanyo mana mondo chama na msara.
Yes.
To chunye ma iye to ngeni kanyo ke monego bede. Look at even the facilities. Ana science teacher, ana puonjo chemistry.
Yes.
Itera primary madhi puonjo science. There is no laboratory in that primary school. The primary cha be ok understand no when we improvise mondo manya few things wabed go.
Yes.
Nikech gin science gicha ni puonja no puonje kaka watimo practically. Koro matin japuonj ni fail no bedo underutilized.
Yes.
Meaning ni ka wabedo gi autonomy to wadhi bedo gi what we call good facilities for our kids. And for sure, at the high school, there are so many schools. There are so many classrooms.
Yes.
Not just empty. They are empty, I tell you. You go to a school, you get even 8 classes, just empty.
Actually, from the newspaper of today, we were doing newspaper in the morning.
Yes.
I think it was Daily Nation.
Yes.
It stated that there is this gap between the cluster 1 and cluster 2 schools, and then the cluster 3 and the cluster 4 schools. That cluster 4 and 3, they don't have facilities, while the other students who are in cluster 1 and 2, at least they are in better school. There is facility in this CBA thing. What can you say about
that's true. That's true, and that's why kara parents ungemano. Emo me yiro ni C4 skidhi C4 schools gi.
Yes.
Te yiro ni ongara nyithindo. Nitie skunde manaka nyithindo ariyo only even one. But go to C1.
Yeah,
school opong ma nyathintie almost 2000.
Yeah, in fact no wachore kanika o grade 10 the C1 schools no ka even the number manoko ni go benefit more than.
Keno no gi anything. In so technically don't you get.
They were taking more than.
Nikech facilities ntie. Ko jonyuol bonge maber ni kunti facility, bonge facility.
Yes.
Koro giko ne wabedo mana gi problem. Emo me wawacho ni ko tono mini obedo.
Yes.
To facilities jogi dhi bedo kuma separate gi primary ko nge watch facility gi nge watch com gi loka kaka gisebedo what things are done to kipogo jogi ko ngene ok dhi luongo ni jo primary gi dhi luongo ni jo secondary to gin secondary nyaka bed gi lab.
Exactly.
Koro matene ni they will be spending their monies on that. Nyi winyo maber ka nyi oro pesa ne jonyuol ne schools.
Yes, yes.
You look at primary or 95 shillings. 95 nyalo ngiewa. Can you buy anything with it?
No.
Well, into JS, already some little money, maybe let me say about 2,000. You know, this 2,000, at least you can think of a lot. You can think of lab. What you make apparatus, more chemicals more.
Yes.
To 95 shillings, ebitaki 2,000. Ingene nkoro ofil yo mapenge mo paro. Mo kwa fario ni idu gitio na Jocelyn project babiche. Koro giko na in that school onge any development academically nibiro yudo.
Okay, let me just ngadi matin. Nyaka sani kuma wachopeni nyalo wacho nango this CBE education. Be wan maber adiere wecho go mag somo king'iyo this CBE education.
Okwan maber, to wan maber molo kaka nwachako.
Okay.
Kata again okwanyal do away with it. Koro en mani gik matino to maricho gi ema nyaka walos.
Ema nyaka losi.
Koro sani gimonego walos maduong en ni jogo bedo autonomous, gibed independent.
Yes.
maka wan gi co-curricular activities sport to gitimo sport ke an mane nyiwo ko ni an secretary ma sport Kisumu County Maria angi ma sport
yes
ja primary you're racing a day for co-curricular activities emo ornegi to idwa kawo nyithindo mondo go mipira ball kende en 6,000 just one ball
moja
kuru kiyo singa dek matini idwa nyithinda 2,000 ekinyo ball achiel matini primary even nyiewo ball it's a problem to mai kawo ja secondary munge maber no beni gidhi out gidhi go mipira go friendly and the rest
yes
kuru matini kapodi jiruo jogi just sling a dek gi just sling 100 iruo together you will still think the same way you think about just sling a dek emo miana fail kenda wacho nigi nyaka be independent
yes
to the government be just they are talking about it even our TSC the CEO no say wacho nigi be independent but the parliamentarians
yes
are still buying time. I don't know why they're buying time. They have a seasonal paper in their parliament there.
Yes.
And they're not discussing it. They're not talking about it so that they ensure that these people become independent.
Okay, do you just want these people to have different management and independent management, or even at school, everything to be just theirs completely?
If they can get ground where they do even their own classes, let them do it, the better.
Okay.
But still, even if they are in the same compound, I still see there will be no conflict if they have different management. Because after all, yes, they are still young. Some of them have only been service for 3 years. But we have teachers right now, even high school, who are at higher levels. They are senior masters. They are senior.
Yes.
And this, I want to tell you that these JS teachers don't have a problem with those secondary school teachers. So if they are brought to board, they will not have a problem.
They will not have a problem.
They will never have a problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe issue mar a facility. What have you done? Maybe ngi ni mau seti mo kaka jopuonj mar no ni facilities obedo ne nyithindo manie jo CBA thing because why you don't nyaka books. There were no books for the grade 10 and then already the nyithindo manie grade 10 sani when they are going to move to grade 11 they are also going to have a problem because remember just I think 2 weeks ago it was there in the newspaper that the word dolal na kairi ilungo ni chiwo tender exactly tender mancho se chiwo ne kambi mano ngo beni loso books for them nitie kaka pod pesa onge yuaruok nitie tender ni osengadi ndalo be diwa do man gi some month to one next year so un kaka kupet duol ma kedo ne ratich jopuonj ere gi mutimo about
that ni kara sami books mo wacho go they were not well distributed. They were distributed on the basis of hypothesis.
Okay.
Naging'iyo ni iga mokalo onjiko high school ne nyithindo 300 koro sani wapani gidhi biro 310 but you know can true gima kono kotimore
which is not true
ngi school mane nyithindo 100 to sanyo yudi nyithindo 3 matin ni sama nyithindo books with that projection itero gara book nikech ka gina anda itero kara 110 then nyithindo dhi biro 3 don't you see nitie buge moko kamar not being used
yes
mane umiyo no the government was taking data Unego beni sani data no is ready. The only thing the government has refused to publish the data. If that data is ready, then it should publish. Then the books manesukundego should be redistributed.
Yes.
Because it's still early within the year. Kureka wane Dumara Beach.
Yes.
There is still time. These kids are still to be in the school for the next 6 months.
Niso ni kata skunde mana koyudo kata mana nti skunde mai wacho ni no koyudo musa this cluster for schools so no koyudo kata mana one grade 10 they didn't even admit any one grade 10 wale pata
they got the books. And the books otigi data ma previous year. Kuro unego beni sani ose collect the data we have in the sub-county we have in the divisional officials the Ministry of Education.
Yes.
So that these books can be recollected back. Because if you are given 110 and you only have 10 students, you take your 10, the 100 they take again the way they brought them.
Yes.
So that those other schools can also get the same book, so that the ratio of books to the student, the books is equal all over. Imagine a school of 3, every student has 55 books. What are they doing with those books?
Yes.
No, books are not being eaten. They are being misom. Til buku nya masoma chielo, kinya somo buga pani kete wi mesa.
Okay. Your work, winjo kiwe about your work, mause bedo kadi nyime between heads of primaries and the JSS teachers. Have you done something maybe to harmonize this? Because this is something I want to know videos, trend, masamoro japuonyi na work already japuonyi.
Personally,
yes,
I've gone even to some of those schools. ingeni mana kaka awacho there is no perfection. The only thing ni kisebedo ngama jatelo kisebedo ngama ngongo to nyaka ya accommodate jomitiyogo.
Exactly.
Mana kaka eodi inyalo bedo gi nyithindo to you must give direction. To kimi nyathi wrong direction to ine mi inyori.
Yes.
Koro asewuotho e skundego moko kendo wanyisi taba achiel mancha ayudo e skundego. Achiel number 1 jo head teachers mag primary gi.
Yes.
Oko believe ni jo JSS gi are mature and can deliver. Giwacho ni joko biro to pod gicheko gi ane ni pod ging'iyo ni koro wami lesson moko ang'wen kanyo pod wang'iye
kako dhi.
To daher manyiso head teachers ni their duty is not to do that. Their duty ka japuonj donjo school.
Yes.
Tiji yot malich. Allocate japuonj lessons ma TSC dwa nomiye.
Yes.
Kendo TSC ndiko maber ni japuonj onego ni puonj 27 lessons. To karacha ahinya to onego bed gi 20. To in kimi japuonj ang'wen to lessons modong ng'ama puonjo. Ting'eni gima gitimo is very funny. Gima gitimo.
Yes.
Jopuonj primary ka ema giketo duogo JS ka puonjo. I have a big problem with that.
Yes.
Though into subjects moko mayudo jo secondary mapuonjo onge kaka music. Mano is understandable. Inya wachni jomanyo umeyagi ja music onge. Koro matin japuonja ma primary cha manyaka kel mondo puonj music. Mano is understandable. To ma is a case momi japuonj maths kaka napuonjo kwano gi kemni.
Yes.
To science nani iyo mo japuonj manye puonjo class 5 kucho emikelo puonjo. To an nyisa ni mondo adoga puonj primary kucho mano ka train. My experience throughout my life kaka nasomo jopuonj mana machwa kabisa ema ne puonjo lower classes. Ni doka ja class 1 imi japuonj mosepuonj mochiki kala retire nikech en onge kaka handle emotions and everything.
Iwacho ni lower classes ema chiwo foundation maber. Koro daher mar kwayo heads ni gititije. Yes.
Ko mi japuonj lesson 20 kata 27. To kapo ni magidwa 400 to wabiro wuoyo gi TSC mondo golio puonj go teka machielo nikech matin kar ng'eny gi jopuonj. Mane kende. Kato be nitie jo JSS ko be moko be nikech ana wacho ga mana dieri. Membe kose miye class no puonj class 10 cha. To chako lokore odhi luongo gi japuonj moro winjore go ni wapuonji class 4 ni ini puonja class 10. Mano bwase wuon gi wase kwero gi ni kata gin jo SS go gimbe class mo miye ma gimano train necha emopuonji emopuonji.
Membe kwang'iyo owacho machielo it's very sad ni nyaka sani pok ochul jopuonj mano ochung' ne penj ma higa mar 2025 last year. Result noseduogo ma nyithindo nosejoin. Nyiso ni wach ni onego bed ni chapter ni nosebedo closed. We are preparing for another exams 2026. So what really happened? What is happening? For how long onego bed ni pesa ni budho kapok odonjo ne jopuonj?
Brenda. Serikal ma wan gone. Seche moko ka ng'iye mos kaparo ni wigi ok ber.
Yes.
Nikech penj process mar penj chakore dwe mar 3. Ok kada dwe mar 10 ma ji paro.
Yes.
Kasani KCSE mitimo 2026. Program no sechakore.
Yes.
Nikech the teachers are registering the kids. Makara sani nyithindo osebedo register ma dhi timo KCSE.
Yes.
Penjo chakore. To ka penjo osechakore obiro ringa kama ka jobudu mar 10 to koro timo gimiluongo ni formal exam ko jobedo penj time.
Exactly.
Mano practical somo ko setem ka la music ne computer jo setem practical mo. Itie ke jopuonj de marking in December.
Yes.
But before Christmas, jopuonj say marking. After some 20 days or 10 days, nti timelines but very clear.
Yes.
Inono penj, igolo results. Nti timelines but very clear. Nyaka chieng' nyithindo report. Apenjo government. Ang'o mi onge timelines mag payment. They put a lot of pressure on teachers.
Yes.
Kendo kidhi gara kinyo kama jopuonj ne jopuonj in the classrooms. Jopuonj in the domes. Nyaka chwar ni ka jopuonj gi.
Giromo gi chwar.
Very bad conditions. Even the food they eat is questionable. And none of chemistry. For a very long time I've been a chemistry mark.
Yes.
Kami bede oken kama yot. Line kende biro riedo mamudang ichiem oken tich mayot.
Kaka nyithindo riedo.
Yes, kaka nyithindo riedo.
They don't treat you well. They don't care.
Kendo kidhi kuran ga dieri ni kiwe yourself ka pokedhi. Kiduogo nyaka lose 3 kilograms. Nikech it's a lot of work. It is hectic. Japuonj tingo nyaka box. No penj.
Yes.
Kato mondo mi pesa ni okuogi.
Yes.
Daher mar wachni kidhi ng'iyo ndalo mane Matiang'i otelo as the CEO, the chair of the NEC. Neji tiga nono ni ine gari kichopo dala pesa ni gari pesa ni osedonjo.
That's how it should be.
Hey, that's how it should be. Because you have done your work, you have even cleared. Me say sign, I've done my work.
Yes.
But the most unfortunate thing in this government, we thought yes, maybe they did a mistake. They were to allocate some money, but they allocate material. We realized maybe give the supplementary budget. Do you know the government had a supplementary budget and did not factor the neck payment? But they could even factor emergencies. Imagine things they did not foresee coming, they factored, but they don't factor in neck.
What do you think is going to happen for the 2026 exam?
Mokwongo,
teachers going to be out there again to try for free.
Mokwongo, this one, enachaya. The government does not respect the teachers. That one I want to say for a fact.
Yes.
Ngami respect. We hear of president talking about allocations, roads, what? A lot of millions of money, billions of shillings. Billions. Even the other time I was in Vega and they was talking of billions. But he did not even talk about the neck. Which are just some little talk. You know, even these teachers who supervise exams, they only given money for transport. Like it is about 500 and something. I think it was about 540 or 5 something. That's just transport. And imagine this is a teacher who has a vehicle, maybe was using fuel. Now you don't pay him after 1 year. Like now it's almost after 1 year. Fuel sani be just made. Kibi one person be they konyeka to fuel. Ningejo une replace fuel maru tiyo gocha. Sani pesa money me, you know. That time fuel was about 160. Sani fuel is about 195.
Yes.
Onge gibiko yugoja pwoni.
How much do they pay per paper? Or
per paper now it depends. Papers now depend. There are some at 50 bob per paper, some about 60.
Because I was doing my research na nikapata ni between 30 and 70.
Yeah, between 30 and 70. Some that is not there for secondary, no. But for a JSS there is. The 30 bob is there.
30 bob for a paper.
For a paper.
And I traveled mpaka sijui wapi nimeka chini.
You mark in Nairobi. In fact, they don't.
You give me 30 bob.
30 bob. Then that 30 bob does not come to now.
That is.
And you talk of Nyota projects, so many big projects. Right now we are even planning on how to do our elections, and I know they are allocating
maybe you
money.
People should push for a referendum demanding immediate payment and also that money to be increased.
What we are demanding right now, we want them to give us timeline. Like now we are doing KCSE. They are planning for KCSE.
Yes.
I know the money will come, but we are also putting pressure whether they pay. But we want to have timelines. The same way we have timelines for doing exams, marking and everything. We want also to see timelines for payment.
Yes.
So that when it is not there, we can now take them to court with that. Because after all, NEC is not our employer.
Yes.
This is a contract. NEC is not our employer. Our employer is TSC.
TSC, yeah.
So the NEC is giving us duty. But you know, if the CEO cannot perform, you know, you cannot be a CEO. If I were him, I will resign. Why can't he put pressure so that is given the funding?
Yes.
When he cannot be given the funding, he should resign. And he should resign immediately because the government of course respect.
Yes.
The government has a lot of projects and they're doing them.
You people say that you will boycott the 2026 exam if you are not paid at all. Will you still?
What I know, the government is buying it up. They will pay them before that exam. So there is no way they will go for marking before they are paid.
What if they?
But that delay is what we don't want. No, paying they will pay. That one I have no doubt.
Sure they will pay.
No, that one they will pay. If they don't pay, that one nobody can go for marking. That one they know. But that delay is what we don't want as a union. These teachers, you know, when you are going for some job,
yes,
you plan with this money, and I'm sure our teachers always plan to pay fee using this money as people open schools.
Yes,
you can even be borrowing money. Me at least you be do capacity of bill. This money.
Yes.
No, it's not right. So the question of not going for marking is not a big issue here. The big issue is that they must pay, and after paying, they must give us timeline so that those who are going for neck marking can know. Because again, they will not refuse to go for marking because they also want that money. And again, teachers, they are human in nature. They will always want their kids to get their results.
You can't just teach and then now the exams are done. You are called to go and mark for.
It can't work. It don't know you are result. It can't happen. So the teachers will go for marking.
So you are sure the government will do something?
The government must pay. They have no choice. If they don't pay, then we will now go call our people out because surely that's not right. This one is
going for the government of Kenya. Please just pay teachers for the good job they did. Just make sure that you pay these teachers for the good job they did.
The only thing which I see which is very risky for the government,
yes,
ingen ni Kenya okethore. To samisi japuonj oseng'e maber ne odhi rito penj to ok bi chule at the right time. He can easily be compromised in a situation modern.
Which is very true.
Koro an mani gima late na ni the integrity of these exams will go down because the government is not acting promptly. Matiende ka ng'ato dhi to jatelo moro yie miye fuel to kwen koro beda beda koro en mana statue kanyo. Koro kana nyithindo kwalo penj kata timo ang'o, so there will be no integrity in these exams. But if it is paid at the right time, there will be integrity. Even at the point of marking, there are people who can still access this and still do something, because if somebody can give you 20,000 and you're also waiting for 20,000 that you don't know when it will come, see, unachukua hiyo, then you go away. So for that integrity, but I want to encourage our teachers not to go in that direction. So I know my teachers will not go in that direction. But I'm just warning the government. Teaching profession and just a family.
So in your organization, as Kupete Secretary, Migori, Kisumu County, do you think there's transparency
in
how you do your things, how you operate? Because there Wach moko sebedo ni nitiere kaka jotelo maybe ka jopunyi wak piny ka but kusedhi malo kocha to kuru bedo compromise kose mi uchae moro matin to kuduogo piny ka to kuru ywa weche lakini chandruok to ile
daer mar wacho ni an kaka the executive secretary Osura George, I'm sure I cannot be compromised, and I've not seen that chai. To ka entie to that promise, to ka entie to that promise jo Kisumu ne anto kabikawe abiro wacho the truth. Nikech ang'eyo ni gima jopiny dwaro ema nyaka timre. We must listen to the ground. Ground ka nyicho wacho nani sha rach to wago ya motegno kabisa maonge dok chien. Makata ka ng'ato go simo ni penjo ang'o migo gina ta nyise mane wago in kit kama, and I continue doing it, calling the media in my office and talking about it. And there is a lot of development that's taking place, and even the government, when they are wrong, they know they are wrong, and they need pressure because sometimes they also forget, so we must put pressure on them. But my people, you should be sure that Sura will represent you well. I will do my best to ensure that welfare magju puonj. Yes.
Okay, there's this teachers also you security. In some places, some teachers you which go come security. Masani korotoneno in some places. Idoka jopunyo de kamoro idoka gino sebedoka timore kana school okotimo maber idoka jonyulo wuok. We have been seeing these things. Jonyulo wuok they storm the school. Bad result, they are accusing maybe head teacher man that school and whatever. What can you say about this?
Daer mar wacho ni result mar school is a combined effort. Mutingo ji adek. One get parents, one get the child who is the student, and we also have the teachers. Jogi ng'at ng'ato nitie kama omako. Maka result ber to nyaka ben jogi te play their part. To ka result rach to jing onego ng'i ni ang'o momiyo result ok obedo marach, moko obedo maber. To result be is not a miracle. Sama nyathi dhi maber ibichako neno gi etiende. Mane momiyo e skunde waduto wan ga gi what we call clinics. Iyudo ka school nigi odiochieng' ma jo form 1, jo grade 10, form 2, form 3, form 4 dhi e school to discuss results. To be kaka ng'ama janyuol onego beni ka nyathi oloro school to ing'iyo result ne ming'e kama entie. Maka pono neno ng'ama nyayudo D to kata KCSE ng'e maber obiro yudo D. Maka Nyasaye oyiyo medore matin tigo ni Nyasaye erokamano. To ka Nyasaye boyiyo kotimore marach no kier matin. Bi wacho ni kate ma nyathina nitie to okier matin. Koro skunde ma iwinjo ka timo kama nikech kata Kisumo nyan gi examples like there is a school called Nyangoto. Nyangoto is a school in Muhoroni. Nyangoto kana result owuok ne gikelo wigi. Magi geng'o gate gitimo mana ginyalo timo makata principal ne gi chwado ma principal oyiech nyaka lawe.
I saw the video.
Ni neno video no. To ne gi claim ni gin principal mana ogedowa. To an as a union member, as a union leader, principal no be is a member of my union. kenda ng'eyo ni kata be nitie problem to mano ok the right way mar handling a problem.
Exactly.
Kata ka gidwa man japuonj be transferred, they have the big offices they can go to.
Yes.
We have our managers and people who protect us, who is the TSC. They can still approach them and write their petition, and at the end of the day, jatelo better transfer.
Yes.
Ma jatelo work with dignity, moko bed embarrassed, kaka jatelo no bed embarrassed. To one as a union, gima kamano kotimore. Nikech as the TSC has a duty to manage and protect our teachers.
Yes.
Us as a union, we have a duty to protect our teachers. And that's why kagima kamano timore to demand for the removal of the teachers immediately.
Yes.
And we did that, and the teachers were out of that school for a whole 1 week at Nyangoto. After that, now we negotiate, we talk. And at Nyangoto, most teachers accepted to go back. But two said they were not safe.
Yes.
Because we must respect their democratic right.
Exactly.
And Samanege Wach again stable, Oginya Dak, Somo Pujo Kanyono. We removed them. One we took to Kisumu Boys.
Yes.
And another lady we took back to Kericho. Nke jogweng ne wacho ni odoko gi ruto gi. Yini sama kuru jose chako kelo tribalism.
That is where I wanted to talk about next.
Yeah, sama jose chako kelo tribalism in education as a union kendo kaka onyomodhi school wano konyala accept mejalo kama.
Exactly.
Masami se wacho ni odog dala gino to wagole mondo dhi dala ke dala gino ok ne okodwa dhi. En tije mano yudo ka. Mokwongo skunde mo wacho gin skunde ma very interior. Ingin ti cosmopolitan area maka ngatu tie. At least onyalo survive. But ngatu tie kor gweng sani nitie jalango to wawuonde nitie kata ndingo pange wi got kujuju. Kisi cha kuwa marach about tribe, we cannot agree, we cannot wait.
Like
one is a teacher ma we remove immediately.
Muso sani wachomo weche gi kimag siasa. Ibedo ka nitiere some teachers mabro yudore kuma tek because opuonje area ma samoro can accept that whatever kama ya eno politics.
Yeah, it happens. And situations are like choponwa. So we don't have a choice. Nikech one give maje punye mwadechigo. Number one, kapogi man otimore. Mane momiyo kanyisi Nyangoto no nwagolo jopuonyo. Kendo nwa won even the community nika gichage tem. To wan wagolo gola jopuonyo wan onge wasiwasi.
Gidonge nyithindo.
Kata mana ndingo panga nyicho wagolo japuonyo moro. Ka jagweng Mariembo Ngware omiyo nyathi school age. To nikech japuonyo handle nyithindo definitely nyaka ng'e gima timore.
Exactly.
To konyalo we nyathi moko protect. To ka jogweng' okelo ultimatum ni koro japuonj no gibiro nego. Mano is a statement moko wanyal underrate. Wan mago statement moko osewinjo to act immediately. Kendo wa make sure japuonj okaw leave. Seche mukelo na wachne ma make sure ni leave is initiated.
Yes.
As we follow the issue, and within 2 weeks that teacher is removed from that school. Koro our teachers should be sure, and I'm nyiso gin very safe.
Yes.
Issue of security, kiwe kata mar loro school because of results. There are a lot of security lapses, and most so SEME. I have a problem with SEME, and I hope Nijo SEME, even their leadership, the provincial administration, winja kendo chiko itigi.
Yes.
In SEME last year, japuonj moro no negi. Though it was claimed ni notho accident. Nkenyo ida piko nenda arakanyo, tebo ida kotho kanyo.
Yes.
But all indications, though I'm not the CID, but all indications was clear, he was killed. Kanyo chopo last week or 2 weeks ago, another teacher was stabbed. Munego choge pala mocha kotho. And these are young teachers. In fact, monego mugi kindokoro intern.
Yes.
Machelo manu negicha was permanent. In fact, monego nyoron to 21 years old. Machicha was about 25 years old.
Yes.
Koro King Yogi Gomos, and the question you ask, why just the young teachers? It again tells you these people matendo gintie away but they should be handled.
Exactly.
Koro their emotions are not like us. Koro ko gibeda accommodated in the areas where they work, then there will be more deaths.
Exactly.
But we are not happy about it. And as a union, very soon we will be in SEME to demonstrate on this. Japuonj koro sani ni emog. Nyuma mana modo family you for some 2 days or 3 as they absorb this. It is a very bad scenario. And I want to say I know it's only that SEME they have been killed. But I know even elsewhere in these our remaining sub-counties or constituencies, security nyaka been boosted. Nyando, I believe all of us were aware of what was going on in Nyando.
Yes.
Mani nyithindo ka nega and even teachers were beaten. In fact, there is a teacher who was beaten thoroughly. In fact, poko chung nyaka sama you know the man hospital Kericho. Nyaka sani poko chako wuoth. Nikech in a community joma ji neno ni tiyo ma are salaried are teachers, they are the majority. Koro matin ni everybody is targeting them. But in as you kill them, then you are bringing more problems to yourself. Nikech nyithiu the inyore. Koro wan wakwayo kendo wawacho ne provincial administration, let us take it upon ourselves mondo wa ensure that there is security. And some more security of teachers, just teachers. We are talking about security of everybody. It's only that teachers have somebody who can talk about them. But all of us, we need better security. Most so during this time, politics,
yes,
we need a lot of security. The security apparatus should be more alert than ever.
Yes.
So that we are safe, our kids are also safe. Nyithini mondo nyaka school. Koro kaonge kwe tok dhi bedo maber ahinya.
Exactly. Maybe ka watieko awach mogik ma samoro nyalo bedo godo ka we just
daer mar goyo erokamano ni jo Kisumu mano yiera mondo abed the executive secretary of KUPPET, kendo we have done a number of things to maduong' moloyo te ni wagone Nyasaye erokamano. Kendo mane momiyo aseketo Thanksgiving moro modogone Nyasaye erokamano tarik 23 dwe mar abich higa ma 2026 ni endi madhi bedo Saturday. In the next 3 weeks I'll be having a Thanksgiving dalawa miluongo ni Jemo Arambe, kendo I invite jo Kisumu te mondo wa bede achiel, wa madhe chai, wago mbaka mondo kaka jopuonj bende uwinje gima waparo. Nikech japuonj will never go wrong. Koro ang'e ni jochieng' wabiro bedo gi lemo, tok lemo wabiro bedo gi chiemo, tok chiemo be wabiro bedo gi gombaka kwa miel wagone Nyasaye erokamano.
Yes.
Koro arwako uduto, dalawa en Katito Kindu Road in between. Koro kichopo kanyo tibiro mana chopo dala. Karibu sana.
Erokamano, an Bernard Boko, erokamano jatelo kuom chopo ni kaeri mondo mi iwuo kod aka jopiny. Erokamano aneno ka sa osedhi kanye machopo mane giko mar bedo e chenro ni yakim mar Chuny Wach mane wachako kanyo sa 5:30 nyaka romo kanyo sa 6 gi dakika osedhi kanyo 32 ne wan kanyo gi migosi George Osura maber ne kanyo jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar jopuonj kata riwruok makelo ne jopuonj mar KUPPET bade ma Kisumu County. Nyinga en Brenda Genyo, warom kendo odiochieng' machielo.